Today we are doing, it's kind of just a simple mod, but we're installing a JDM quick release bumper release things on my bumper. So they're just going here and here. We'll walk you through, show you each step, and show you how to do it safely without wrecking your paint or anything. So let's get right into installing. Alright guys, so first things first, I'm going to tape off the section where I am going to drill, and then I'm going to mark an X, which I'll show you guys later, and then we'll get into drilling. So right now, I'm just going to tape off the section on where I think roughly I want to put them. Alright guys, so I've taped it all off just to make sure that when I do drill, it's not going to cause any major damages. So I'm going to mark off with an X where I want the quick release button things to go, and then I have to take a screwdriver, unscrew my inner fender panel so I can get in under there with a wrench, and then they'll be right on. So it's a really easy install, so let's just get into marking off the X's and taking apart the inner. Alright guys, so now I'm just placing the button where I think I want it, and I'm just going to put a little dot and then make an X on where I want to drill. And I'm going to do the first one, or the bottom one first, and then afterwards I'm going to do the second one, the top one, just to see so that there's enough tension between the elastic. So let's get into drilling at the bottom one. So we got the fender all unclipped. We didn't have to unclip the whole thing, obviously. I can just reach my hand under there. So this second X, I put the wrong one there. So this second X is where I'm gonna drill. So let's get right into doing that. First hole screwed. Since this one's just plastic, it doesn't matter because it's just a bumper. But for the second hole, I would do this. Make sure that you get like a paint pen or even just use a spray can or something just to get in around the hole so that it doesn't rust, because imagine this whole panel rusting, that would not be good. So let's get into installing this first bottom one, and then we'll do the top one. Alright guys, so I already marked the X. The first one is on and fastened. I ended up just being able to unclip my bumper. I put it a little bit high, so there's a little bit of a mess up because it won't clip on, but that's alright. So I'm just gonna drill this, do the exact reverse, and then clip the washer and the nut on. So let's get into drilling. Alright guys, so both top and bottom are on. I kind of chipped that a little bit with the drill bit, but I still think it looks alright. So now we're just going to put the elastic piece on. It works good, looks mint, and yeah, so now let's get on to the other side. Alright guys, so that side is fully on. I moved my car just to get this a little easier access. So now we're going to time lapse this side and get it all done, and hopefully just bang this out. And then we'll show you it, maybe get some clips and stuff, and I'll show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, so the JDM quick release is installed. Like I said, in my car it's mainly just for looks, because it's not like I'm going drifting or anything, but they are used for things like that. Super easy install. I think it looks super good. It's been a couple days since I've put it on. I actually have my stock winters on because that's a project that you guys will see in a later video that I'm getting done. But they look super good. Super easy install, like I said. Just make sure before you do it, beware of where you're drilling, and especially on the top fender part, make sure that you paint or put crown or something to make sure that it doesn't rust your fender, because that would not be good at all. So yeah, so let's get into, I'll show you guys some clips, but this is basically the end of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and go check out motorelement.com, and on your checkout use code SBOYS for 15% off. You guys can get some cool merch and stuff there, so that'll be cool. And follow us on Instagram at SBOYS_TV, and check out our TikTok SBOYS_TV also. So see you guys in the next video.